Another fine vehicle offered by ReagorAutoMall.
This is a 2008 Toyota Tundra. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. The most desirable features on board this Toyota include power windows, cruise control, a CD player, side impact airbags, a four-wheel anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 59,000 miles. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is the power behind this truck's long list of capabilities. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.
ReagorAutoMall is located at 1211 19th Street in Lubbock. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.